Cool. Welcome into this video. I would like to take you through how you can stop people from adding you to WhatsApp groups without your permission in WhatsApp. What you're supposed to do basically, just click this three dotted icon in the upper right hand side of your WhatsApp, then head into your WhatsApp settings, then come to where we have privacy. Then you need to scroll downward to where you see the groups option. So where we have the group options, you have to select who can add you to WhatsApp group. For privacy purposes, you can choose your contact, but to increase the privacy, you can disable an individual who usually add you to WhatsApp group without your permission. Maybe you can say my contact exempt. So you can come and select that contact and then click OK. Let me show you. So let me deselect all the contacts, then select the specific contact and then hit OK here at the below right hand side of your WhatsApp, the tick which is here, and that contact will be disabled from adding you to WhatsApp group. So in case you want to disable multiple contacts, so you can just click multiple contacts which you want to stop adding you to WhatsApp group and then click OK. Let me show you. So I can select this one, maybe, and this one, they are just random, then click OK. So after that, you have updated and improved who can add you to WhatsApp group, and nobody will be able to add you into WhatsApp group without your approval. So thank you for watching and God bless you.